Hi guys, welcome back to another how-to video. Today's video I'm going to be continuing on from my edit poly video that I did last, and I'm going to show you how to use the edit poly modifier to model a parametric wall, so it's a wavy feature to it. To start off, we're going to go to our Create tab at the top. We're going to select a box and just model one like this. Once we have that, we go down to parameters and we're just going to fix up our segments because I want 100 length and 100 width and 5 the height, so it's like this. Once we have that, I'm going to switch on over to my front view. Once we're in our side view, I'm going to convert this to an editable poly like I showed you last time. We're going to select polygon and then select this entire middle row here and then delete. That way we're left with just the top and the bottom of faces, top and bottom faces. Then what we're going to do is select the entirety of the top, then go over to our modify panel and then add a ripple effect to it. Here in parameters we can edit kind of the extent of ripple that we want. So you can go as crazy or as subtle as you like. We're going to do something a little bit like this. Once we've done that, we're going to select our entire formation here, modify list again, and we're going to apply a slice, which is just here. So we select our slice from our selection here, and then we're just going to rotate it 90 degrees, like so. And then we're going to remove the bottom, and now I can move it and kind of just pick the selection of ripple that I want for this effect. Once we've done that, I'm going to go back to my modifier list and grab a second slice modifier. Just like I did with my last slice mod, I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees, but in the opposite direction. Remove bottom, and now I can once again edit just how much of that wall I want. Once we're happy with that, I'm going to swap on over to top view again, and I'm going to edit poly for this whole surface again. I'm going to select polygon, and I'm just going to remove all this extra segments hanging off the side here, just like that, so that it's just the top and the bottom. Right, now once we have this, I'm going to go over to my selection in editable poly, select border, and I'm going to select the border of my ripple. So yeah, it's highlighted in red, and then using control I'm going to select the border of the base as well. Now we go down and we're going to bridge that massive gap in between. Once we have this, it's time to flip our wall right side up. And we're just going to use the rotate tool and flip it 90 degrees. So it's just like that. Smooth it up a bit. Perfect. Now for our next step, what we want to do is return to our editable poly, select polygon one last time, and now we're just going to delete every 2 of these lines every second so that we get a really nice wave ball effect. Right, now that that's all done, we're left with this ribbon-esque facade for a building. But obviously we don't want it to look hollow, so what we're going to do is select everything one last time, and we're going to add one last modifier called cap holes. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you make your parametric facade for your building using Edit Poly in 3ds Max. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.